What's up, YouTube? Just a small tip. So when you got a scanner and you want to replace the rear brake pads and you have this electric parking brake system, one idea is before you connect the scanner to the car, go back on the back of the car, lift your car, remove your wheels, remove the brake calipers. I suggest you do it on both sides at the same time. So remove the calipers and then remove the old pads, put the new pads in place. And now the problem is you cannot put the caliper back in place because the new pads are thicker. So do the whole half of the brake job just until the moment when you need to put back the caliper in place. At that moment only, go inside your car and connect. You need to put the car on accessory, so you need to have accessory on but engine off. Only at that moment, go inside the car, connect your scanner to your car, and then go into your electric parking brake system function. And at that moment only, and it depends on the scanner, this is a Foxwell. At that moment only release the motors for the electric parking brake. You may try release one, go outside the car, put the caliper, put the two screws, secure them, and then go and complete the function here. It may have several steps, depends on the scanner. If you do like this, you will just have to connect the scanner with your car with accessory on, which is draining current from a battery, for maybe 5, at most 10 minutes, but 5 minutes is going to be plenty enough to finish. And also you don't disconnect the scanner during the procedure. So that may clear some questions that I've seen in forums and also on YouTube videos. And that's it. It depends on the scanner. You need a scanner that's at least about $150 to have that function for brake release. Not the cheap ones. It's not going to work. And also I made a video that you are showing you how to release that piston manually without the scanner. Just check my video. The problem usually is those two tiny screws that keep the motor in place. Those two screws can be really stuck, and you just shear them. It's really a problem. Other people will just disconnect the electric motors without scanner and just put 12 volts battery to retract the motor. You just try to guess which one is the polarity. I've seen people ruining their electric motors because the car doesn't know you have retracted. The car doesn't know which position it's the electric motor at that moment. So I'm talking without scanner. And they ruined their electric motors when they started the car. So I really don't recommend try to retract the motor with a small 12 volt battery at the connector plug of the motors, the electric parking motors. Don't try that method. It's very risky. You may be in for several couple $100 to replace the electric motors. All right, hope it helps, guys. Thanks for watching.